Did we showing you how you fix your PlayStation 3 if this happens? You know what I'm saying? If you PlayStation, it says this shit right here, we're gonna show you how you fix your PlayStation. Let's say if it started loading, okay, it's downloading. Let's say if it stopped, watch, it's gonna stop. If it stops and shit gets stuck by it, we show you part 2 how you fix it. See, it's mad like it's like it's taking too long and shit. We's basically showing you this for like that. If this happens to you and shit, and this happens to you out here, what it's doing right now. Okay, you see it stops. If this happens to your PlayStation, watch part 2, and we show you how you can fix this in part 2. If you guys wanna know, leave a comment, whatever, what you think about it, whatever. If this happens to you and shit, your PlayStation stops right there, whatever, we can show you some tricks how you can fix your PlayStation 3. Watch part 2, how we fix this little problem. Holla back your boy. See, look, it's not doing nothing, you see, it stops. It stops right there. So let us know. Watch part 2, and we tell you how you can fix that. Peace.